Okay, so hey there, First Prime. I wanted to try to see if I could make a tutorial. So I thought I would make you a little tutorial to show you how I would approach your hatch rig. So let's say this is our hatch. What I would do is I would use a joint. So what I'm going to do is switch tool sets, grab the joint tool, and then I'm just going to hold V. I'm going to snap a joint there, and then one there. Grab my geometry and just simply parent it to the joint. So now when I spin this joint, the hatch goes along with it. So from here, I'm just going to create a NURB circle. And then just for the sake of doing this quickly, I'm not going to worry too much about how that's placed or how it looks or anything. But you definitely don't want to have to select any geometry whatsoever when you are animating. Everything that you select when you're animating should be either a NURBS curve that doesn't render or some other. I've seen other people use other kind of objects like geometry that they've set up in a special way to change color for various things. But I always just use NURBS curves just to keep things simple. So I'm going to freeze transforms on that and delete the history. Okay, so to set up so we don't need any of these. I would just lock and hide these all together so that you can't translate this around, and then you could just put this, into the same group that the hatch and the joint are in, so that it follows along if it's something that's going to move. Okay, so quickly modify, add attribute, and for something like this I would just go make it 0 to 10. The data type would be float in this case, and then you could just go something like hatch open close or something like that and add that on there. So then it's just simply a matter of opening up the set driven key window. This is going to be the driver, and the joint is going to be the driven. And then I'm just going to check to see what rotates. It looks like rotate Z is going to be what we're after here. So just grab that and then key that. So let's say our hatch opens up. So then you want to go here and just put this up to 10. Grab the joint, rotate it how you like it, and key. And it's that simple. So this way, by using NURBS curves all the time for stuff like this, then when you're animating, you can just go up here, say all objects off, and just turn NURBS curves on so that you can't accidentally select something that you don't want. Alright, dude, I hope that helps you out. Okay, cheers.